Today we'll be installing C6 Halo LED taillights. Comes with torque key wrench, instructions, and warranty card. Lights come in 4 individual boxes. Lights are carefully packaged. Now let's get ready for the install. Use the Torx wrench to remove the single top screw. Hold on to that screw, you're going to need it later. Once the screw is removed, slowly pull the top tab towards you. Remove the bulb assembly by holding it and turning it counterclockwise. Remove the bulb by pulling straight out. Now we're ready to install the C6 Halo LEDs. Choose the Halo LED with the reflector for the outer light. The inner light uses the Halo LED without the reflector. The 2 metal connectors must be inserted facing the direction of the ingoing wires. Make sure you insert the connector firmly. Remove the plastic film before inserting. Insert the Halo LED bottom side first. Carefully push the top side into place. Be careful not to push the Corvette's metal retaining clip in. Last step is to reinsert the screw. Notice that the outside Halo LED has the reflector and the inside Halo LED does not. Now that we've installed them, let's take a closer look. The halo light really stands out at night. The video doesn't do these lights justice. They look even better in person. Thank you for watching this C6 Halo LED instructional video. You can purchase a set at CorvetteEnvy.com.